Dostoin ka beach trust, honesty, support, understanding, loyalty, care, laughter, respect, companionship, empathy, encouragement, forgiveness, fun, kindness, patience, reliability, sincerity, communication, comfort, positivity, strength, unity, bonding, happiness, motivation, sharing, listening, warmth, openness, acceptance, security, appreciation, connection, adventure, memories, love, generosity, teamwork, dependability, faith, integrity, cheerfulness, friendliness, gratitude, resilience, harmony, inspiration, tolerance, humility, flexibility, selflessness, cooperation, compromise, joy, authenticity, reassurance, celebration, devotion, humility, affection, mindfulness, sensitivity, adaptability, sincerity, enthusiasm, inclusivity, courage, understanding, perseverance, upliftment, dedication, mindfulness,